So let's start by an example from the automotive domain and look at our modern cars. Modern cars are equipped with a wide variety of sensors, including cameras, and the data of those sensors, of those cameras, feed into computer vision algorithms, and then those computer vision algorithms provide advanced and hopefully intelligent functionality to the driver. The Versal device, depicted on the right-hand side of this slide, is a heterogeneous device well suited for these workloads. And you can actually see three compute complexes, three compute clusters on this device. There is on the left-hand side, the processor complex, the ARM processors, hardened. Then in the middle, in the blue, there is the traditional FPGA, the programmable logic. And then on the right is actually the part that I want to focus on in this talk, is the most compute-dense part of the Versal device, and we call them the AI engines. And as the name suggests, AI engines are good at accelerating machine learning workloads, but they're also good at other things. They're actually also good at things you might traditionally expect to land either in that programmable logic, like more image processing related application parts or the pre-processing, so that we can, on the device, on the AI engines, accelerate the whole application. And this aspect is something that we already heard this morning that was touched upon by two of the presenters in the general sessions. So what we'll do in this presentation is we will first do a technological deep dive into and take a look under the hood, what are these AI engines? And we'll first take a look at the compute capabilities, but then secondly, and as importantly, we'll talk about how do we get the fuel to those engines? How can we enable concurrent data movement so that we can keep that compute, that we can keep those engines firing? And after we've done that, I'll introduce to you our Vitis Vision Library, which is an open source library. And in combination with our Vitis tool, this will allow the user to implement his vision processing pipeline on that Versal device and on the AI engines of that Versal device. And then before opening for questions, I will give you a sneak preview into the second generation of AI engines called AIE-ML.